Hey everybody, so we are back working on the house, and today Emma has been taking on the wallpaper that is in the dining room. As you can probably tell, there are some spots that are missing. And so we tried originally with just a paint scraper, and then we tried with a paint scraper and soaking it with vinegar, water, all that jazz. Wasn't working very well. And so then Emma saw online that you can use a steamer. And so that's what she's been doing. And so the process she's developed that's working pretty well is she starts up at the top and then slowly brings it down, just gently pulling so it doesn't rip, doesn't tear. And then she's getting pretty efficient with it, pretty good results. We've got a couple spots where they did a bad job repairing, and then also just some weak points in the paint. But you know, the steaming might have weakened it up a little bit, but I doubt it did the majority, because if you look at the rest of the wall, it's the paint is in pretty good shape. So we'll just have to do some extra priming, maybe some scraping around those spots, but all in all, going quite well. So just wanted to share that. So we're just using a little, what brand is that? Steamer? Conair?
Yeah, Conair.
So a little Conair steamer we had from our wedding, just slowly going down the wall, and it's working pretty well. And that's all we've got. If you have any recommendations on how you like to pull down wallpaper, if you've done it in the past, or if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment, and then also make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!